Hey, it's Mike Sams giving you a shout out from Bob Hurley RV. Let's check out the 2023 Forest River Grand Lodge. Very nice unit. Ton jack's gonna be right here. You're also gonna have propane, tinted windows all the way around. It is 2-story, storage compartment on the outside. Double axle. Tinted windows all the way around. Got your tanks right here. This one here is going to be a 50 amp. Cable satellite goes right there. Awning that goes all the way out. Let's take a look inside. As soon as you hop in here, you have a nice room down here. Nice shower. Washer, dryer. Storage compartments. Max air fan right here too. Come up here. Two sleepers up here. Come back down the stairs. Very nice sectional couch here. Televator, TV goes up and down. You have a nice fireplace with the sound bar. Ottoman too. Plenty of window, plenty of seats here. I believe you can sit 6 people here, if not more. Ceiling fan up top. Nice pantry space in here. Residential refrigerator, LG refrigerator. You're also going to have an LG stove, microwave, and oven, Furrion. This right here goes all the way around. Sleeper up here, there, and here. And back here, you're going to have the master bedroom. Very nice fireplace in here too as well. Plenty of cabinetry. Lovely view. This one's currently available. Give me a call. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.